I came to the Raebareli
Mm-hmm.
because this is the Indira Gandhi's place, Rajiv Gandhi's place, Rahul Gandhi place. That's why I
Right,
want
right.
to make some canvassing. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, I asked, sir, we have got a lot of population.
Mm-hmm.
Highest population is OBC. Why don't you put a separate ministry, separate budget? But he could not do it. Once 42, next time 64, 84 MPs met him. I
Mm-hmm.
requested, why don't you make a caste-wise census? I am really appreciating Rahul Gandhi ji. Kanyakumari, Kashmir, he walked and he
Yes,
has
yes.
understanding the people problem. Either farmers,
Yes, yes.
unemployed youth,
Mm-hmm.
everybody, younger generation, below poverty. That's why he's saying that we come to the power, we'll
Right.
conduct a caste-wise census.
As they say, some things are destined. As we were crisscrossing the Lok Sabha constituency of Raebareli, we come across none other than V. Hanumant Rao, the person himself who has been there with the Congress for the longest period of time and also has seen generations after generations in Congress. V. Hanumant Rao ji, thank you so much for speaking to One India. Your association with Congress, sir, has been exemplary. Please tell us.
My association when I was college days, I was in NSU.
Uh-huh.
Later I joined in Youth Congress. But only I attracted to Indira Gandhi. She may be upper class,
Uh-huh.
but she is thinking for the poor people, downtrodden people. She is making a land ceiling implemented
Uh-huh.
and she has given land to the poor people. 20-point program. After that, I
Uh-huh.
very close associate to that. When Sanjay Gandhi was there, I was the Youth Congress president.
Right.
Later, Rajiji came and he made him a PCC president.
Pieces.
Not
Okay,
only that,
definitely.
he want to make him CM. जब HKL Bhagat was in charge.
Right,
But
right,
my
right.
age was only 41. So all seniors was opposed. But even though whether I will get a CM or not,
Mhm.
but I enjoyed lot of power in Congress party. I
Right.
never leave it Congress parties. That's why I came to the Raebareli
Mhm.
because this is the Indira Gandhi's place, Rajiv Gandhi's place, Rahul Gandhi place. That's why I
Right,
want
right.
to make some canvassing because I am a OBC MP's convener. I have
Mhm.
done lot of work for 11 years.
Right, right.
IIT, IIM refused to. Supreme Court has refused to give in reservation. But finally, I want to thank to Sonia Gandhi, UPA chairperson. I requested, ma'am, talent is not anybody's property. God has given to everybody. Why don't you give a chance? Then finally, she has put a word to
Mhm.
Dr. Manmohan Singh
Manmohan
ji,
Singh ji. Mhm.
and Manmohan Singh ji have put in parliament bill. Everybody, including Lallu Prasad Yadav, all political, irrespective of political identification,
Right.
everybody was support bill was passed. But that same thing, as a OBC MP, I met him 3 times.
Mhm.
Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, I asked, sir, we have got a lot of population.
Mhm.
Highest population is OBC. Why don't you put a separate ministry, separate budget? But he could not do it. Once 42, next time 64, 84 MPs met him. I
Mhm.
requested, why don't you make a caste-wise census?
Right.
2008, our
Absolutely.
Home Minister was there, Rajnath Singh has promised, he has not done. But Rahul Gandhi, I am really appreciating Rahul Gandhi ji. Kanyakumari, Kashmir, he walked and
Yes,
he has
yes.
understanding the people problem. Either farmers,
Yes, yes.
unemployed youth,
Mhm.
everybody, younger generation, below poverty. That's why he's saying that we come to the power, we'll
Right.
conduct a caste-wise census. Not only that, 50% ceiling also I want to remove it.
Okay.
Nobody in the country look after the downtrodden. He enjoyed, he sold.
Absolutely.
90% officers are there.
Mhm.
Among them, only 3 IAS, IPS are there. That is the. When I
Rahul has
came
been
to the
mentioning
power,
that.
definitely I will conduct caste-wise census and 50% ceiling also I remove and you give according to the population wise their priority, promotion, everything will come. That's why
Right.
I all the way came from Hyderabad
Hyderabad
to
too.
canvass here.
Sir, fine, sir. Thank you. I won't take much of your time. Also, Raebareli in itself has been a Gandhi bastion, and people have a lot of support here, a lot of respect here. How do you see that happening here?
Definitely Rahul Gandhi definitely will win because Rahul Gandhi previous he was elected in Kerala.
Mhm.
This time definitely Raebareli will win. He will come back to the home because everybody is run away. He is not run away. He is a India man. He
Yes,
is a
yes,
born
yes.
in India. He
Mhm.
will help for the people because opposition is trying huge and trying. Hey, he's run away. Now that's why Raebareli escaped.
Yeah.
Definitely will win and most probably will leave it Kerala seat. That is my point.
Okay. Mr. Hanuman Rao, thank you so much for speaking in 1 year. We won't hold you back. You are heading to
Yeah,
Mallikarjun
yeah.
Kharge's press conference. We will
Thank
see
you
there.
very much.
Thank you. Have a very
nice
good day.
meeting you.
Thank
One
you.
India.
One
Thank
India,
you.
sir. One India. Thank you. That was V. Hanumant Rao heading to the press conference for Mallikarjun Kharge. Raebareli is the place where, as of now, all the roads are leading to, and all the top-notch politicians are here. We will be bringing you all the details from Raebareli. Keep watching One India News.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.